In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use boards in Asana. Think of an Asana board as a simple visual way to map work from start to finish. Each column represents a stage in your process, and each task is a card that lives in one of those stages. By setting up clear stages and adding the right tasks, you create a living snapshot of what needs doing, what's in motion, and what's completed. Let's start by creating the stages your work will flow through. Click Add Section to create a new stage. Give it a clear, meaningful name like To Do, In Progress, Review, or Done. The exact wording is up to you, but consistency really helps. Use names that reflect the real steps your team takes and keep them short so the board stays easy to scan. If you're not sure how many stages you need, begin with just a few. You can always add more sections later as your process becomes clearer. The goal is to mirror your actual workflow, not to invent busy work, so keep it practical. Once you have your sections, it's time to populate the board with the actual pieces of work. Click the plus button at the top of any column to add a task. Give each task a concise, action-oriented title that tells anyone at a glance what needs to happen. For example, instead of a vague label like update, try something specific like update homepage hero image. Place new tasks in the section that best reflects their current state. If they haven't been started, they belong in to do. If they're under active work, they can start in your in progress section. The key is clarity. A quick look at the board should tell you what exists, where it stands, and what might need attention next. A few helpful tips while you add tasks. Break larger efforts into separate tasks so nothing becomes too unwieldy to track. Avoid duplicate wording. Consistent titles make the board easier to filter mentally. If you're working with others, agree on naming conventions up front so everyone creates tasks the same way. As your sections and tasks come together, your board turns into a shared source of truth. It supports planning, prioritization, and quick status checks without digging through long lists or messages. When you keep section names focused and task titles clear, the board stays readable and reliable over time. That's the heart of using boards in Asana. Define your stages by clicking Add Section, then bring your work to life by clicking the plus button to add tasks. Keep it simple, keep it consistent, and your board will do the heavy lifting for you.